Hey guys, it's Claire and welcome to my channel. Today's look I wanted to do a hooded eye cut crease for you guys. This is like a glittery cranberry look. I'm so obsessed with how it turned out. If you guys want to see how I did this look, just keep watching. So starting off with a bare face, I'm just going to be taking some hair clips to clip back my hair off my face. Then I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. Wow, that's a mouthful. And I'm just going to be using that as an eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to be blending that all over my lids. Then taking some setting powder and I'm just going to set that in place so it doesn't crease. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the makeupwithjah Clientele palette. Such a pretty palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Sandy and I'm just going to be putting that lightly in my crease as a transition shade. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Sultry and I'm just going to be putting that low in my crease because I've got hooded eyes. I don't want to go up too far. So keeping it sort of nice and low to make it appear that I've got more eyelid space, I am just sort of packing that colour in there now. To really build up the intensity, not going too high. Then I'm sort of flicking my brush upwards to sort of give it a more softer, diffused look. Then taking that same brush, I'm just wiping off any excess shadow that may be on there, and I'm going back in with that brush and I'm doing the same sort of technique to softly diffuse the crease. Then taking a coloration pencil brush, I am taking that same sultry shade and I'm just using that to really build up the intensity of the shadow all over my lid. Now taking some concealer, I am just going in and cutting out my crease. With this step I always tend to go a bit higher than my actual lid, so I go above my crease just because I do have hooded eyes. I want to sort of give the illusion that I've got a bigger eyelid than I actually do. I'm then going to be taking the shade called Burgasm in the Clientele palette and I'm just popping that all over my lid area as a base for when I put the glitter down. Then I'm going to be taking some Ben Nye glitter glue and I'm just popping a Violet Voss glitter called Strawberry Fizz on my lid area. This just gives it an extra pop. Then taking some L'Oreal Micellar water, I'm just putting that on a cotton pad and I'm just folding it in half and I'm just going ahead and cleaning up the edges. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I love this foundation. It is so nice. It's got such nice coverage and the finish is just so pretty. Then taking the Jeffree Star Concealer, I'm just popping some under my eyes just to brighten it up and just putting it in areas where I feel needs a bit more extra coverage. Then to fill in my brows, I'm just going to be taking the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I love this brow pencil. It's like my favorite. It's got such a nice formulation and it's just so easy just to sort of fill in sparse areas. Now this is such a must-have. This is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel. And oh my god, let me tell you, like if you put this on your brows, your brow hairs will not move. So for some of my more recent videos, I have only been doing voiceovers just because, I don't know, the microphone on my camera just sort of has this sort of weird like background humming noise that I sort of can't get rid of. So I've made the decision to actually get an external mic, so hopefully that helps with the audio quality. It's currently in transit at the moment and hopefully it's here soon so I can actually start filming some like talking videos. But yeah, until then, I am just going to be doing some voiceover videos, so I hope that's okay. Moving on, I'm taking my favorite mascara of all time, the L'Oreal Baby Roll Mascara. It's just so good at lengthening. Then I'm also pairing that with a nude lip from Jeffree Star. This is in the shade I'm Nude. I love this shade as well. And yeah, that is basically the look completed. I hope you guys really like this look. Let me know if you guys recreate it. I hope you found this video helpful if you do have hooded eyes like myself. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below. It really supports my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!